Right, good morning everyone. Now I've got a really nice flower and I haven't stuck the middles in yet because I'm just trying to show you. That's done with 7 petals and that's done with 5. So you can do as many petals as you want and you can layer them. They do look really nice layered. So I'm just going to glue this in at the moment if my glue gun's hot enough. And then I'll show you how I've made this flower. Very easy. Very easy. So I'm just going to put some glue just around this one. Pull them in. It's hard to grab them. I put quite a few stems in. I'm just going to do that just to glue that together. And we can sort all of that out later. Right, just for now, pop that through into my flower and then I'm just going to glue around the edge to hold that in, like that. That's all going to be cut off anyway. Leave that to dry. In fact, you can just do it like that anyway. We'll pull that through. So you've got that. I want to make sure they're all done. Go around the edge. Make sure you're hitting the fabric as well as, or the ribbon as well as the stems. Now, yeah, so that is just slightly, and we can chop that one off if it's sticking out too much. You see, just let that dry and that'll do. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I've got about 24 inches of ribbon and I've folded it in half and then I've cut it diagonally, and you're going to want to do the ribbon starting like that, so the pointed end is to the right and then the sloping edge, which is the diagonal, is to the left. Okay, so it's not that way, it's that way. And we're going to need a needle and thread. Now I've got some of the stem and we have these in many colours, so please check out and grab them from us, because most people are selling them for a lot more money than we're selling them for. But because our goods are of top quality, we don't charge like most people. So you're actually saving. If you have to spend a little bit extra on shipping, you're actually saving on the goods. Just letting you know, because people don't seem to work that out. Right, so you need to start at the end and do yourself like a little tacking stitch. Make sure you seal it off using your lighter first. And then you're going across there. And if you say six stitches, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches, okay? And you're going to use six stitches all the way across what you do. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go up 6 stitches along the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you're going to go diagonally from right to left 6 stitches, and that's 1 petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is your first petal. So you're going to need I've folded mine, so I've got a crease. See, I've got a crease so I know where I'm aiming at. So that's 1 petal. Okay, and then you're going to go on the left hand side up 6 stitches. Just move my pen out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, don't go across them yet, mate. Now, mine's gone through there. I didn't pull it round. Just do that, that's fine. So let's just see what we've done. We've gone from corner up 6 stitches, then straight along 6 stitches, then took it across again 6 stitches. Now you could do these individually, so it's individual petals, or you can do it like this for a cluster of them. Point to across the top 6 stitches, 6 stitches at the side, then go down 6 stitches across, doing a diagonal pattern, up 6 stitches. Now you're going diagonally again 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do them on a really good slant, see, like that. Again, that's my 1 petal, 2 petal along there, 6 stitches. These are really easy, but they look gorgeous. Nice full flowers, nice for headbands and things like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more is 6. And if you fold out your fabric, your ribbon, you'll see I've got to know where my fold is, and that's my next fold there. So now I've got to go across diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can count then how many petals you've done. 1, 2, 3. I'm on my 4th petal. So I've got to go along the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, my thread's twisted. Right, and then now I'm going diagonally across again. And there's my pleat. I don't know if you can see, that's where I've pleated it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we're going to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've just got to go diagonally across there. I only want 5 petals, you see. 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you can do is when you do your first one like that, before you gather it up, then you can measure that out. So I only want 5. If I wanted 6, I could carry on. But if you're doing a batch of them, you can measure it out what you want. So I'm cutting it diagonally. And then what I do is you've got to pull them. See how that makes a petal? So just keep pulling them until you've got the flower. You do need to twist them, because obviously twist them the right way, because they do twist on themselves. Okay, so that's my first petal, that's my second, see how they twist, my third, my fourth, and my fifth. Now that's just done that, that's it, do that back in. So like I say, twist them all the right way. They overlap kind of thing, look. Do you see? So they overlap. Now with this particular flower, what you can do, if you want to, you could roll it like that. Just make sure they're twisted the right way. And you could do that. Oops. that flips onto that side. And then you just keep going like that, and you end up with that kind of rose. But I'm not doing that with mine. Find the end. Like that. And I'm just going to stitch mine together. This is where you need to make sure it's all the same way. And just pull that in like that. Now don't take your thread off yet until you've got this right. So just pull them around like that. You see? They just all twist together. Like that. And that is just gorgeous. Really pretty. And I'm just going to, one more stitch. And then snip that. And then this time I'm just going to take 3 of these. Excuse me. Pop them through the centre. And then all you do is pop your glue around, just move it back and forth. Pull them all down. You just use each stem, that's it, like a little cluster. And then spread that around before that glue dries. And put your petals where you want them. And look at that. You can turn them over. Put some glue in there. That just really does help keep them together. We're just going to sort these out. See, now they're hard. But I need to cut those so they can lay flattish. And then all you do with that, I can put a little bit of a backing on. You don't need much. Oh, glue! Bits of thread everywhere. And just pop that on the back and that will hold all of that together. But look, so you've got them looking like that. I'm just going to do this one. Okay, oops-a-daisy. And you know, people are going to think you're a professional flower maker because they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not keen on that one sticking out. So I'm just going to nip in there and snip that one out. That's fine. I'm happy with the rest. I'm happy with that one. So you've got those and then you've got this one. Probably 2 would have done, but I like a lot of things in my flowers and I like them. So I'm just going to snip this with pliers because it's oops, cleaner will get it. Done like that. So you can see, oh, I love that. I love these, but I love that one as well. That one's done individual petals, okay. That one's done with them gathered. Let's have a look. 7 petals, 5 petals, 5 petals all together and 5 petals individual. Makes no difference to me. I'm going away tomorrow. I can't wait. Me and my 2 youngest sisters, we're going to go and have a good laugh, good browse around the charity shops. And hopefully, I mean, we're supposed to have good weather. We've had 2 nice wet days this week. Rained yesterday and it's murky today. Bloody hell. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Have fun wherever you are. If you're just crafting, have a real good crafty day. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.